Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today I've got some light bulbs to do. I need to change one of my light bulbs, so what I'm going to do is replace them with this or these. I'm going to change 6 of them. So I have 3 this end and 3 behind me, and there's another 6 back there. I'm not going to be changing them yet because they're alright, but these ones are on most of the time when I'm in this room, when I'm filming and that. So I'm just going to change them all with these because these are supposed to be the equivalent to 60 watts. It says power 7 watts, input voltage AC 100 240 volt, lumen 600 LM, CRI 80 RA, beam angle 120 and size 50 to 58 millimeters, that's what it says. And the reason I bought this is because, or these I should say, is because of what it said on the website or on Amazon's website. It said anti-thunder design, safe and durable, overheat protection, energy saving, high-tech light diffuser, soft and comfortable light, LED chip, 3000 hour lifespan, no flicker, high lumen and eye protection, imported PC cover, high transmitter or transmittance, what it says on there. And I'm fed up these lights keep going. They're not lasting as long as what they're claiming they're going to last. It says up to 30,000 hours. If you have them on for 24 hours, 30,000 hours should last over 3 years. And they're not. They're lasting maybe 1 to 2 years before they pop. So like I said, I'm going to be changing all these, all 6 of them. I have 12 in this room in total, and I'm just going to change the 6 and see how we get on. You know, perhaps I should start, using their warranty. It says here, 2-year warranty. So next time these 6 go, I'm going to be sending them back because I'm fed up to keep changing bulbs. Don't see why I should have to keep changing them when they're claiming 30,000 hours. But we will see. I've not tried this manufacturer before, so I'm not having a go at them. I'm having a go at the people that supplied me them, or where I bought them from. Right, so with that, let's get on with the unboxing. And this changed my lights. Right, so nicely packaged, don't look like any's broke. See that? So you got 5 one way and 5 the other way. How am I going to get these out without breaking them? Oh, I see. They're in a little plastic holder. That's pretty good. Careful. Ah, okay. It's like egg cups, isn't it? There you go. 2 egg cups. I've got to turn my lights off. I'm going to do the one that's already gone, which is this one here. So, just turn that, pop it out, do that. And this has a little holding bracket, so it should be quite easy to do. There you go. I mean, they have quite a weight to them. You think they'd last a lot longer. I better separate them. So that's the one that's gone. This is the one that should be alright. So I'm going to try it out first, just on one, just to see if there's any difference between the brightness. Hopefully there is. That's one of the reasons I bought it, or bought them, if I can get them in. Several hours later, there we go, done it. Let's see, push that back up. That's locked. Alright, let's see if she's bright. Oh yeah, it's totally different light. So it's more white. These are more yellowy. And this is white. So yeah, probably better. Oh, made my eyes go funny looking at it. It's probably going to be better anyway. So I'm going to change them all. I'll quickly show you the difference in colour first. So there's the new one. And there's one of the other old ones. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up. Right then, let's change them all. What I'm going to do is drop them all down first because they're going to be a bit warm because I've had them on. be better at night time as well. Yeah, so they're a lot whiter than my other ones. The other ones are a lot more yellowy. They look nice. Hopefully it will improve the lighting in this room. So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.